Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to subscribe to LinkedIn Premium. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to LinkedIn, open it, and after that go and click on your picture, and as you can see in the bottom of the screen there is that option retry premium for $0. So generally LinkedIn will give you the first month for free. So if you want to subscribe you have just to take that month and everything will be good and you can enjoy your subscription. So I will click on retry premium for $0 and it will start asking you a few questions. I will click on skip. I don't want to answer them. And here you will have like some options if you need LinkedIn Premium for career, for business, for like all of them, for sales or for hiring. So for me, I will put career and click on try now for $0. And as you can see, it will like tell me that the first month will be for free. And after that, I will be like, or I will pay $40 per month. Or if you want like annual, you can like just put annual and get it a little bit cheaper and you save like 50%. So I will put monthly, and here you have two choices. You can pay directly with LinkedIn and it can be a little bit cheaper like than paying with Apple directly, but I will choose continue with Apple. Just wait a few moments and after that I will click on subscribe. You have to put your password of your like Apple ID and click confirm. And as you can see, I'm subscribed now to LinkedIn Premium and it told me like all set, my purchase was successful. Click on OK and just wait for a few seconds and it tells me that I'm premium subscriber. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.